In this video, we'll talk about a technique for copying line items in your current project you're working on so that you can quickly go through multiple selections with similar designs, as well as copying those selections to other projects in your Select Plus database. To start with, I have a project here called University of West Florida Medical Building, and I have just one simple wraparound, 5000 CFM, AHU1. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you technique number one in copying that line item in this particular project. Let's say I have AHU2 as well in this project that has similar characteristics, but instead of re-entering all that information, I want to show you a technique that allows you to quickly select multiple selections in one simple click. Alright, so to start with, go ahead and click the select item button. You can see that I've already inputted the inputs for AHU1 as far as the fin height, fin length, as well as the entering conditions. Now this job also has AHU2, but with all the same entering conditions, however slightly higher airflow, which would be 5100 CFM. So what I'm going to do is hit calculate, hit continue, and at the drawing selector screen, there's a button called Save and New. What that's going to do is going to copy this particular selection and copy that into a brand new selection. And what I could do is I can call that AHU2. So let's go ahead and click that, Save and New. We are now back at the input screen, which you'll notice that the AHU tag is missing. However, all the inputs are still the same. So what we did was we copied everything from AHU1 except the tag number. So what I'm going to do is type in number 2 for AHU2. And for this one, let's change it to 5100 CFM. It's slightly different, so I expect different performance. So go ahead and click calculate. You'll see that the performance has changed slightly. Hit continue. And now for this example, let's just click save and close. So the first technique that I just showed you was a save and new option of copying line items. Now I'm going to show you option number 2. Go ahead and click save and close. Now back at the project schedule screen, you'll notice that both AHU1 and 2 are in your project line items with slightly different airflows, however similar designs. Now let's say I have AHU3, that's now a 6000 CFM system with slightly different fin heights and fin lengths. However, the outdoor air conditions as well as the air leaving my cooling coil is still the same. So another way you can actually copy this line item is this copy to button. So what you want to do first is select this and click copy to. You'll notice that a line item has been copied. Since we copied AHU2, AHU2 is the third line item shown. Now to change this, go into your select item button, which is shown here. Now at the input screen, let's change the AHU tag to 3. Let's change the airflow to 6000 CFM. And let's change the fin height from a 40 fin height and a fin length of 55. Go ahead and click continue. The performance changed slightly. Hit continue. The drawing will also automatically refresh, and click save and close. Now back at the project schedule screen, you'll see that the 3 wraparounds you selected are shown, all very similar but also slightly different, and you've used this copy technique to save you time because they're similar inputs. Now you can also copy these line items to another project within the database. So let's say you're designing a project or these 3 air handlers for Florida State University as well. So to copy that line item to that project, go ahead and click select all. And instead of just clicking copy to, find the project that you're working on and click copy to. Now if I go to that project, I'll see the 3 wraparound selections that I just selected. To show you that, just click My Projects. Now at your active project list, find Florida State University Medical Building and click the Schedule button. And you'll notice that the 3 wraparound heat pipes that you selected for the University of West Florida project is shown in this particular project. So this will save you time if you're designing similar wraparound heat pipes for multiple projects. So to summarize, there's 3 copy techniques within the Select Plus software. Save and New, which will copy that line item from your drawing selector screen, as well as this copy to button within that project, as well as the copy to button to other projects. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video. I would encourage you to check out the channel to see other helpful tips and tutorials. Have a good day. Bye.